Have you ever wondered what happens if you take a CZ457 American to a Benchrest match? I recently bought this rifle from Optic for $498.99, and then I bought a discontinued Vortex Viper, and then I just got some cheap rings off of Amazon, and then paired it with a Harris bipod from the 1900s, and then took it to a Benchrest match. Well, that's pretty stupid. Why did you do that? Well, that's a good question, but I was just really curious to see what this great factory rifle could do against some good shooters with some custom rifles. Did I win? No, I didn't. Did I get last place? Yes, I did. Let's take a look at some of the competition. A custom build on a Remington 40X Action. Take a look at that rest. I don't know how much it cost, but I'm pretty sure he didn't get it at Walmart. And here's the rifle that won, another custom build, but this one was done on Anschutz Action. I shoot this match monthly, and this is the rifle that wins most of the time. And here's my setup. I was shooting OK Rifle match. This is the target we shoot. It's an official IBS rimfire 50-yard match target. It's made up of some siders across the top and then 25 targets. And you shoot one shot at each target. The middle is worth 10. And a perfect score would be 250. And then we shoot this same target at 75 yards. So a perfect score for this match would be 500 points. The winning score was 495. This is the winner's 50-yard target. He missed his first shot, but then from there on out it was all hits. So he shot a 249 at 250. It's very common to see a perfect 250 of 250 at 50 yards. Even I've done it once, but I've never seen anyone do it at 75 yards. And at 50 yards, I shot a 227. It's those shots in the red that really disappointed me. And here's the winning target at 75 yards, which is a 246. Pretty amazing to me. And my 201 at 75 yards was not amazing at all. My first shot missed the entire target. Not a great start. Well, I used a Sharpie to eyeball a composite group for each of these targets. And when you look at them side by side, mine is not that bad. So to look at these targets, the first thing you'd think is that I didn't know how to judge the wind, but it was a very calm day. For some reason, this rifle tends to string things horizontally. Now at 75 yards, it's a completely different story, and you really start to see the difference that a good shooter with a good rifle can make. So the rifle that I normally shoot is built on a CZ457 Action. I have a Lilja barrel, KRG Bravo stock, Timney trigger, Accu-Tac bipod, and I've got right around $3,000 into that. And then you saw at the beginning, this rifle costs $500 plus, I've probably got about $800 total into this, plus the bipod, which I bought in high school. So I have no idea what I paid for that. Today's match at 50 yards, I shot a 249 at 250 on the IBS rimfire 50-yard target. I was that close to a perfect score, and my 25-shot composite group came in right around a half inch. We shoot the same target at 75 yards, and I shot a 231 of 250, which is a personal best. I had one shot in the green, but other than that, I'm happy with that composite group, right around an inch. So my personal best is 480 points, and then with this factory rifle today, I shot 428 points. So that puts me within 11% of my personal best. And to shoot a perfect score, I would only need 15% more points. So you'll never compete with a rifle this cheap, but man, it puts you pretty close. All that extra money that you pay, you really don't get a lot for. That final 10 to 15% costs you in the thousands. So what's the point of this video? I don't know, but I thought it was interesting, and hopefully you did too.